Iowa Western is seeing red. The Council Bluffs Fire Department donates a fire truck to River Country. The engine will aid students in the ever-growing EMT and science program.
Iowa Western has just been such a partner with us for so many years.
You're just making a stack. See?
This truck is 20 years old, 26 years old, and we've got the good out of it. It's still got a lot of life left in it, and we thought it would just be an amazing thing to donate it.
We're training our future workforce, and without having something like this, we don't get the hands-on unless our students would go down there, and they do frequently be able to do that. Now this will allow our instructors themselves to set days and say, okay, we're going to work with the fire truck.
Slide, step out.
I will be able to, the pump panel here will be able to actually put water in this truck, pump water out of this truck, so they get the feel from everything from getting sent to the fire call, to getting off the truck, to getting the pump in motion and pumping the water through the hose into the fire.
We're always looking to be new and innovative and making sure we have the right things in order to support our students.
So River Country makes a splash thanks to the Council Bluffs Fire Department. It's once again win-win for Iowa Western and Council Bluffs.